Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, Bluetooth connection failed. That error means your watch and phone refuse to actually talk. What I'm talking here about how to fix the Bluetooth connection fail issue in Garmin Connect app in 2026. So let's get started fast and easy as usual. So for the number one solution, we're gonna actually go and try about the removing and repair. So on your own phone, we're gonna go all the way to Bluetooth settings, find your Garmin watch, then tap forget this device. For example, you are using an Android, just come here, tap on this Bluetooth, then tap on details, then active the Bluetooth. It will show you the whole list of your devices. Go and find the device, tap on forget my device, then go all the way back into the app here. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet. And make sure also you log in using the correct account. Go all the way, tap on more, go all the way to Garmin devices, and tap on add device, and add your device again. You can also try and restart your phone and watch like both of them. Then put the watch in pair mode as I told you, hold the light button, then scroll to the phone icon or pair mobile device and try to add the device again. So if you have an iPhone, it's for iOS users only. A recent Garmin Connect update broke pairing for many users. So if the above fails, like what I just told you, uninstall all Garmin apps including Connect, IQ, and all of this. Then restart the phone. Come back and reinstall only Garmin Connect, then try pairing again. So basically Garmin must be aware of this and working on a solution. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.